and thanks for joining me today for another episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. Today I have loads of yummy embellishments for you, gorgeous ones. It's so inexpensive. Don't forget to click on the link in the description if you want to go to this seller's shop. There is just one link and you will see all of their goodies. So we're starting off with these 20 pieces, 16mm rhinestone flatbacks, 80 pence, and you get 20. So the 16mm, a lovely size. They're not tiny, trust me. And then we have 100 pieces of 8mm half pearls, and the flatbacks, and they're just gorgeous, and lots of different colours there to choose from. Great just to pop on your projects, just to bling them up a bit. They are 80 pence for 100. So you know, this is pocket money. Crafts again, as I always try and find for you today. This seller, honestly, so inexpensive and such gorgeous things. And then we have these 10mm flatback butterflies, 80 pieces for £1.59, and they're multicoloured. Lots of lovely different colours there on their wings. Very pretty, and they give you 80 pieces. So you will have lots of those to do what you want with. Now, the next one, I use so much of these flat back half round pearl trims. Bit of a mouthful that is. I do get through a lot. So I thought, you know what, instead of keep buying a couple of meters at a time, I thought I would get the 25-meter roll, and they're £4.65. I also have another lot in my basket where there are different colours. These are the white ones, £4.65 for 25 metres. That will keep you going for a year. Well, depending on how much crafting you do. And then we have 100 pieces, 8mm flat back resin flowers, £1.59. Most of the things that this seller has is actually £1.59. It's come out a lot, £1.59, so they like that figure, but I like that figure too. It's a nice amount to pay, and it means you get a lot for your money. And then the next one, these are 20 pieces, and they are flat back flowers for 80 pence. I do not know what size. I've written down, I've been quite good today actually, and written down a lot of the sizes for you, because a lot of the time I go, I don't know what size they are, but they don't always list how, you know, not all the sellers list how big they are unless you go into all of the description, and but you can see usually they're in the palm of someone's hand, and you can see that they're quite big or small. Now these are really different. 30 pieces, 20mm by 26mm. They are kind of mosaic flatbacks, and they're £1.59. Thought that they were different, just, you know, different than the flatbacks that I have. And then what am I going to say then? Leaves. We all like leaves on our projects. There's 30 pieces here, and these are you get 40 pieces. Oh, I've lost my way, haven't I? No, these are 30 pieces, 20mm by 26mm, sorry, £1.59. The mosaics were 10mm, and you got 80 pieces for £1.59. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I skipped one of my things that I wrote down. Here we have 40 pieces of 14mm by 20mm resin bows, 80 pence. I got really sidetracked then, didn't I? Trying to be clever, saying I've got all of the measurements, and then I missed one of the listings. Right, so we're back on track again now. Honestly, I don't know where I am half the time. I write them all down, try and be really good, and then I get sidetracked by either one of my mental cats or just my brain. Right, now we have peacocks. 5 pieces, resin peacocks, £1.59. Very sparkly and gorgeous. Do not have the measurements of these. So I don't know. I've got most measurements, but not the peacocks. Right, if you like angel wings or wings, there are 16 pieces, 42 millimeters by 70 millimeters. So as you can see, they are quite big. They are glitter wings. And guess what? They're £1.59. Again, £1.59. This seller, I think it is their most popular price for things, but we like £1.59. Gorgeous glitter wings there. Then we have 40 pieces, 16 millimeter gold convex flatbacks, £1.59. Convex, is that the right word? Meaning they're kind of dome shaped, is that right? Excuse me. Very blingy and a lovely size, with these being 16 millimeters. And then I saw some more wings. Excuse me, these are rainbow glitter wings. You get 10 pieces and the 36 by 58 millimeters and £1.59. Loving the colour of these wings. Aren't they beautiful? You're like angel wings. Right, and we also like butterflies. These are 80 pieces, 10 millimeter flat back, round butterflies, and I skipped ahead of time there. So yes, these are just half round flat back butterfly resin, £1.59, 10 millimeter for 80 pieces. Very pretty. Loving the colours of them. And they would be gorgeous on any project that you want to put them on. Lots of flatbacks today in this basket. We have some silver ones with flowers on, and these are half circle, half round, 80 pieces, 12 millimeter, £1.59. £1.59. You're going to keep hearing me saying that a lot today. We've got a few more £1.59s in our basket. I like the flowers on these. I've got some round flatbacks, but I do like these. And I found quite a few of these trims in the seller shop. Now this one, they are flowers and rhinestones, £1.27 for 1 yard. And there's a couple more of these trims coming up as well. So there's this one, which is the flowers and the rhinestone. And what do we have next? Then we have some more of the half round flatback trim, pearl trim coming up. And this one, there is pink, ivory or white, and you get 50 meters for £6.97. Now on the other one, it was 25 meters for £4.65. So if you do the maths, this 50 meters, if you want to buy in bulk, it really does pay off because it's £6.97. That is ridiculously cheap for 50 meters. Trust me, I've been buying it at a couple of meters a time, and I'm not going to do that in future. I'm going to buy in bulk. Then we have some more gorgeous butterflies. You get 10 pieces of these flatback butterflies for £1.59. Loving the green, the blue, the bronzy gold. Oh, just gorgeous. So you get 10 of those for £1.59. If you like unicorns, as I'm sure we all do, you get 6 pieces of these lovely glitter unicorns, £1.59. Now, my grandkids love unicorns, and well, actually probably everyone I know love unicorns, so they're always handy to have to make a quick card or a quick project. Might make a unicorn journal. That would be good. Right, more round half circle flatbacks. These are 40 pieces and they're 12 millimeter, and they have the word love in the middle. They're not £1.59, they're 80 pence for 40 pieces. with the love in the centre. I thought they were very, very lovely. Lovely, get it? Oh, lovely. We have some more trim coming up. You're going to like this one. This is 1 yard of gold rhinestone round trim, and it's like a chain. It's £1.41, and they are circles with a rhinestone in the middle. I do like these trims, but you could cut those off and use them individually if you wanted to. You don't have to keep them in a row. You can cut through that, the bit that joins them. And then we have this other trim, which is 1 yard of gold, 6mm, like a chain. And this is £1.04. And there's just these, gold circles trim, but it would look lovely all joined as well as individually. So you've got the option there, but it's a great way of storing them as well, isn't it? So that's what we have in today's basket. I hope you have enjoyed all the different variety of things that we have here. Cannot wait for them to arrive. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you'll join me next time for another episode of What's in My Aliexpress Basket. Take care and see you all very, very soon. Bye bye.